you know, since I have a lot of time on my hands now, what we're going to do is we're going to go to Ricketts Glen National Park up here.
Yep, so much time.
And so considering I don't have much to do and, you know, I got some free time on my hands, we're going to take a trip to Ricketts Glen State Park, all of us, and try to enjoy some nature and see what we can do.
Yeah, nature!
Yeah, nature, right? Yeah, there's a whole bunch of waterfalls there and a bunch of glacial cutouts. It's a pretty neat place, so we're going to take the hour ride up there and see what it's all about. All right, we're here at Ricketts Glen State Park. Hopefully without losing it. Yo, stop fighting already. Oh my gosh. Jeez, oh man.
Why do I have to be soaking wet?
You're not going to be soaking wet. You're going to go swim in waterfalls. These kids, I swear.
Hey, I'm perfectly
All right, we're gonna get situated here, and then we're gonna get down there because it's gonna turn into a disaster here with all these kids here in a second. Yeah.
Wait.
Penny. So this is Ricketts Glen State Park. We're gonna go on a little bit of a hike today, and some swimming in a waterfall. Yes. So it goes both. That's the Rose Trail. We're gonna go to the actual. We're gonna go to the waterfalls. So
Actually, Dad, on second thought, I want to hold Penny. I want to touch a waterfall.
if you look down there, it's the waterfall.
I want to touch a waterfall.
So what we got restroom line. All right, so
Can we swim inside the waterfall?
let's try to get down there.
Can we
We're gonna go right here.
You're not allowed to swim there.
Oh my gosh.
Look.
Yeah.
There's swimming.
That's why we're coming up here with the bathing suits on.
What?
All right. So this is the Falls Trail at Ricketts Glen State Park.
Got our first picture in the trip already.
Come on, I'll help you down.
Here, I got it.
You got her? If you keep going down here, hon, you keep going down here, there's going to be glacier cutouts that you guys can walk through. You good?
Yeah.
So, yeah, it's a pretty neat place, I'll tell you that. It's as in the wilderness as you can get, at least probably in Pennsylvania.
Anna, get back here. Dad, we came here when I was like 5 or something.
No, you were 8. These boulders are all cut out by glaciers. You see how they got lines through them and everything? These were all cut out by glaciers thousands of years ago.
Dang. Daddy, take a picture. Dinosaurs would.
I got you guys. Come on, just be careful coming down. Help her. Grab her hand.
No, I'm
So you're going to do it yourself? All right, you're fine apparently.
Guys, wait up. Oh, you go.
What's she looking at? Squirrel?
It's a bug.
A bug she's going out there?
buzzing around there.
What is she doing? We're not leaving you. If you ever come to Ricketts Glen, there's two trails. There's I think the lower end of the waterfalls and the higher end. I think we're on the higher end. I can't remember. Don't really have cell phone reception out here, so you can't really tell if you ever get out here. And the parking lot's right up the trail.
My wristband flew off.
Your wristband flew off? Oh,
Yeah.
Don't jump around like a nut. Won't fall off. So this park, I think it's like 250 acres, maybe more. It's got multiple waterfalls. I think altogether there's 15 or 20 waterfalls. Like I said, I should have probably researched this a little bit before I made the video, but I was going to do it here, but I forgot there's no cell phone reception.
Which one? Shortest route.
Beach lots.
You're going to want the right one, pretty sure. So. But yeah, like I said, there's no cell phone reception, so either you're gonna have to have a map or either download Google on the way here. So hopefully we don't get lost, but I doubt it. Is this the
The deer cave.
Come here.
Oh, it's the deer?
Funny.
It's a deer cave.
Yeah, it's the deer to keep the deer out. That's all. I think when we go down the glacier cutout is down there. Unless I took the wrong trail.
Dog's bigger than what dropped
Yes,
down the
make sure you watch where you're going, baby girl.
Oh, these are fun.
Annalie, slow down a little bit. It gets wet and it's slippery.
Dog's like pulling me.
Hey. Keep your hands out in front of you. Can you guys hear the water, the creek down here?
No.
I think it's a creek we come up to. Hold on, catch up. I gotta throw the battery back in the back.
Kevin, can you hold my shoes real quick?
Why you got your shoes off, hon?
Because I want to switch my shoes to my water shoes, mostly because these are too small.
Why were you wearing them then?
Because.
Oh my god. See, told you. You gotta be careful. He is? Oh my gosh. What happened to his hiking shoes?
He lost me. He could wear these.
Oh my god. You try to plan anything. Children always find a way to make it fun. I'll tell you that.
Can I stop real quick?
You want to go over there?
This creek comes right around and we go over a bridge, Annalie.
I want to go swimming. Annalie!
No,
No.
come on. See if I can walk out on this. You know, you're not gonna walk out on this, Annalie. Come on. Yeah, there's not spider holes. She is a very free spirit, I'll tell you that. Whatever she can find to get herself into trouble, she can do it. What you doing, babe?
Hold Penny. Penny, can you hold her?
Jeez, guys. Penny, you gonna go over there? You're fine, Annalie. I'm gonna go around the safe, practical way, which is the nice bridge that they built for you right here. Whoop. Come on, Pen. Let's get the children, including the adult child, over here. I don't know. I can't tell because that one's closed, so I don't know how this works out. But they didn't close that one trail. I could kind of remember how it went. I am.
I can't see it. It's too far away.
I can't do anything. We're gonna try to go around the other way. It's too dangerous for you guys. Come on, it shows you all the mud and stuff. And it's easy to come up. Going down is not. Apparently the one half of the trail, it was a rock slide, so it's shut down. And it's kind of treacherous, so we're going to go around the other side and do the other half of the trail. But you only have to climb up a giant mountain basically to get back over here. So that's what we're going to do. We're going to see if we can get any good footage of the other waterfalls. It's break time for everybody. Apparently that little hike already was a lot.
Two of them. No, I only brought one. The other one fell out.
The dog sure wants some water.
Oh my god.
What, you starving some? There's a little, right when we pulled up in here to go up the side of the mountain, there's a restaurant we can eat at. Okay, we ate there before. Jeez, oh man, kids. Complaining.
Yes, sir.
I want to carry it next, Daddy.
Okay, well. They don't need to be that tall, Levi. See, you're just filling the ground.
Oh.
There you go. Keep it up, Mom. Watch where you're looking.
You like talk.
Alright,
Oh.
Bob, get the camera back.
Why?
Gosh, this is all people are seeing. Gosh. Good camera skills there, Bob. Alright, so this Ricketts Glen trip might have been a bust. I don't think I'm going to get any video of any waterfalls, because this one side of the trail, apparently there's a rock slide and you can't pass through it. And this side of the trail, usually you come up, but you know, since it's closed halfway through, you got to go down, and it's like solid cliffs and rocks you're walking up, and it's all muddy and wet. So going down, it's really easy to slide and go down. And with the little guys and the little baby girl over here, I'm not taking that chance. So, but you know, there's plenty of nice stuff around here, though. Yeah, you gotta be careful on the.
No.
No. What the heck?
Not moving enough.
Did you guys already go down the other way?
We tried.
Right. Thank you. Come on.
Yeah, it's closed for a reason, guys.
I don't care. I like to take risks.
So at least you're gonna see 2 waterfalls. So.
2 waterfalls? Can we swim in one? There's a waterfall. It's not really anything special. But that right there.
Probably. You know, waterfalls are like that too. I think it's. I hope it's this side of the.
That didn't break a bone yet.
No, we're not breaking any bones. Yeah, it's a pretty decent fall, guys. That's like at least 50 or 60 feet.
And plus, there's so many rocks down there, you could probably break.
Penny's sneezing to death. Come down too with the backpack on. Hope I don't die. Yeah, I'm gonna try not to, guys. Well, you want to come down? I'll grab Penny off you. Here I go. Try not to die. I got a back on. These rocks are split apart either by glaciers or by the actual movement. I have no idea what that is. You guys are up there already?
No.
Right, there you go. Why are you climbing the hard part?
I'm gonna go up. I'm gonna try and climb up this one.
It's pretty steep there, guys. Watch where you put your foot.
Oh, boy.
This is advanced.
Big kids.
There you go. All right. We
Levi, stop.
Okay.
yeah, we're up here on this boulder now. Yeah, Levi, that's a pretty far fall. And we're just trying not to kill anybody right now. That's what we're doing. Let's try to go back down without me dying. Climb up here. I don't know if I can or not. No, it's not, Levi. See? There's no footing for you. I'll have to put the camera down to get up there. You want me to help you up?
Yeah.
Oh, you're getting hurt.
There he is struggling.
I'm
Try
a little
not
bit
to
heavier
die.
than you and older. Try not to die.
Yeah, it's true. Try not to die.
That was fun. You want to go do that, babe? No.
Knowing moms will probably break something.
Oh, I almost broke something.
Come on. I hit my kneecaps on the ground.
Levi, that's enough. We don't need to go back down there again.
Levi,
Oh man, Levi, I bet.
Yeah, Levi, let's go climb up that.
Wait, Levi!
No.
No.
Daddy, can I go inside?
Yes, you can go in there.
Oh, Kevin, you took us here.
No, you're not.
Let's see what you go in here.
It's literally nothing.
Can I come up?
Just a bunch of
Dad, can I
boulders
go
and
down
stuff. No, you stay up here.
Daddy, can I go this way?
Yeah, sure.
If I can.
Go on.
Can I go that way too?
Go ahead.
Levi, you're climbing up there.
Levi. I would not do that. Just due to the fact that the boulders are sitting right there very precariously.
Now how do I get down?
Where you came?
Yeah.
Oh, almost broke my ankle there.
Yay! I did it!
Here, grab my arm and I'll help you down. Ready?
I'm not jumping down!
How are you going to climb down?
I don't know.
So exactly.
I know!
Okay.
Kevin, you're gonna jump down.
Ash, you should see this rock right here.
No!
It's just, this rock is just teetering here, but it's like maybe a few points.
Kevin, if you jump, I'm gonna climb under there.
I'm stuck!
Go ahead. I'll give you the camera. I'm just going to jump off this ledge over there.
Yeah,
Ready?
don't break your ankles.
It's not my ankles I'm worried about.
Kevin, I thought,
Yeah, see the rock? Come here, Devin. Look. Look at the rock.
ow.
See it just
That
sitting
thing's
there?
holding on.
Why don't you pull that rock out right there? That little
No,
one.
because it's gonna crush me.
Yeah, pull that little rock out.
Throw something at it.
Did Devin get that? Levi, Anthony, what are you doing?
Get down.
Daddy!
Jump.
Not from there.
It's not good.
I have to go rescue Levi. Hold on. Hold on, hon. I gotta go rescue our son.
Nature. I'm gonna eat it.
You gonna eat it?
I'm not gonna get that mushroom. Don't eat it. I'll follow you.
Levi, you can climb down from over here. Bob. Levi, Anthony. Go back. I can grab him now.
I'm not gonna be able to climb up there.
Stay there, watch me. Here. Is that what you're afraid to do? Jump. Just jump with me. I got you.
Daddy, I'm safe. Now how do I get down?
Same way I got up.
Yay, Daddy's the same.
Levi, did you see this rock over here?
Yeah.
Look at the rock right here. It's only held up with a little rock. Devin, hold it in your other hand.
Oh, I see that.
I wanna go in there.
All right, go ahead, go down there. You really gonna go down? Yeah, I was gonna say, you're gonna find a snake down there or something.
I'll bite my ankles.
Go on, give me the camera. Yeah, you next thing you know, you get down there and get bit by a copperhead or something. they're very, I mean, a lot of adventure going on here today.
Sometimes they were swimming.
They were swimming. Hi, Penny. What you doing, Penny?
There's a cave over here.
There's a cave over there? Oh, yeah.
Dad, I'm gonna squeeze.
You want to go in there? You got to hold the camera straight, though.
I'll hold it.
Hold it nice and straight with 2 hands.
Okay. Wait, is it on?
Yes, it's on. It just shuts off. Top of the screen.
Stop moving the camera. You got to hold it 2 hands. Go ahead, talk. Talk with us.
It is very scary in here.
No, it's not. This is a nice place for a little house.
Yeah, go ahead.
You know, if I was a caveman, I'd like this place.
Oh, what does that say?
Where?
I'm scared. Right here. I'm scared.
You guys can you guys go all the way out the other side?
I
He probably can, but Annalie would probably get stuck.
I'm scared. No, don't be scared.
Here, come over here.
Yeah, it's a
Come over here to me. Levi, you
One
gotta
more
put
view.
the camera on. You only your phone's one way.
You know, if I
I got a lot of editing to do with you guys filming, I tell you that.
Wait. Dad.
Oh, I want to go do that. I want to go walk through that.
Like I said, I would have to read, but I'm pretty sure this is from glacial movement. Cut all these apart like this.
Can I see the camera?
Hold on, I'm going up here with Mom.
Oh, I just almost fell.
I feel like Simba, top of Pride Rock.
That's all like it. Like that funny rock.
This is nice dog. What are you doing, Bob?
Nothing.
He's trying to die here.
No, I ain't.
Come on, before you slip and smash your face. Thank you. Oh my gosh, I don't want to have a trip to the emergency room today,
Ooh,
please.
spider.
Sweaty like tacos, right?
I'm gaping.
Shut up. Mom's a little immature sometimes. It's pretty? Yeah, it is. There's 2 of them, Annalie, right there. Penny. She's trying to eat. Penny, you can't eat butterflies.
Yes, you can.
Devin, how old are you? I said you can play about your niece. How old are you? Oh my gosh, no, you're not. Oh my gosh. See, this place is freaking awesome. I've only been here like three times, and I love it every time I come. All right, let's go downstairs here. Too cold, baby girl? Here. Slippery, so you gotta be careful. Is it too cold? Here, grab the other one. Well, go ahead, get them on.
They're in your bag.
I'll put the bag out.
Now, can I get it?
Man, this is muddy, muddy, and more muddy. Probably cold, ain't it?
Yeah, a little bit.
Yeah, well. Whew. Man, I'm out of shape. This is not for a truck driver. What, you hit his head? On what? Coming up or falling? Hey, you want to take the camera through there? All right, well, apparently the DJI Action 1 isn't waterproof. Even though I explicitly remember reading on the box, it said it was waterproof to like 20 meters or something. It did not like the waterfall. Okay. So I guess we got no action camera right now. It looks like the rest is all going to be cell phone footage. This trip was a disaster from the beginning. Half the falls are closed. That's the only waterfall you can see, except for a few of the other ones on the other side. But it's such a steep climb, like climbing down a cliff. They kind of made stairs out of it, but it's so wet and muddy. I don't want the kids going down it. So guess that's the only waterfall we're seeing today, but it is what it is. What? No, we are going to walk back to the Red Rose Lake trail over here, and then we're gonna go back to the car. Then you guys can go to the beach.
Yay!
All right?
Eat.
Huh?
And then eat.
Yes, and then we can go eat. Okay? Apparently, this is the only waterfall we can see. So
I mean, that was nice.
maybe when we'll find out when they cleaned it up or whatever they're doing, and we'll go, see all the waterfalls again.
Wait, I hope they get rid of the sign, no swimming.
What, doesn't matter? This swine don't swim. They were so worried about that the whole time. Every time I've come down here, there's been somebody swimming in one of these waterfalls. Since, I don't know, the beginning of time probably. So, man, I'm out of shape. Burned some calories today though. See, this is what I like about being an owner-operator, guys. I've always worked for people, worked for companies as a company driver, and I would be made to work weekends. I would be made to work split shifts, double shifts. By the time I get home, I'm too tired to do anything, or it's always like an oddball time to even spend time with the family. I can take days off. Well, this is because the truck's broken down, but still, if I wanted to take a week off, I could take a week off as long as I can afford it. If things were still going good, the way were going when I first started here with Tyson, and then running their loads, I could easily take off every weekend, come home 2 or 3 nights a week easily, if not more. But since everything's all messed up, this is, I would be working right now if the truck was wasn't broken down. But you gotta look at the bright side. You gotta spend time with the family. You can't let your stress and everything, you know, bring everybody else down. So, am I stressed out? Am I worried? Yes. Am I worried about money? Yes. But this is a very good stress reliever, and you have to do stuff like this. You just have to. If I just sat there at home and worried about the truck, worried about how, you know, how many loads I'm gonna have next week, and so on and so forth, I would just drive myself into a crazy, stressed out wreck. So, all right, we're gonna go up here, and I guess I'll take some pictures of them at the lake, some video. But I gotta catch up to them because they're hauling butt.
Just little cuddle puppies.
Yes, yeah, totally.
Penny,
Have it
run.
going.
Bunch of cuddle people. Penny,
Annalie, what are you doing? Come on.
Penny,
We got maybe a half a mile to the parking lot. Like a half a mile. Like, I don't know. Yeah, 15, 20 minutes. Calm down. Jeez, oh man.
put your
You guys in?
your butt.
I guess we're gonna go to the lake over there too, hon. Let them go swimming.
Yeah.
Yeah. All right. That's what we'll do. So come on. Yeah, I guess we'll let them go swimming. Penny though, she's probably gonna have to stay in the car. So let's leave the car on.
I'm gonna just sit right here.
I don't know. All right, guys, well, I guess you guys will be all right. So we're gonna go over to the lake now, see what's going on over there.
Where are we going?
All right, so we decided we all are hungry and we're gonna go get food instead of go to the lake, I guess.
Yeah.
So, what are we getting, guys?
We're gonna eat. We're gonna eat at this restaurant near here.
Why?
Restaurant near here. I guess we'll see if we'll take debit cards. We're out in the middle of nowhere, so they might not. So, guess we're gonna go eat. This is the quarry.
Shell pit.
Yeah, it's an old shell pit. You wanna go in there?
No, I wanna eat.
No?
Come on, Devin.
There's probably cool rocks in there. Yes, I've actually taken a fully loaded log truck down and up this hill before, well, mountain, I guess you might as well say. So 18% grade is nothing to fool around with. That's for sure, especially for 2 miles.
It's the hot dog trees.
Are you guys going to go out there?
Annalie, it's the hot dog
All right, we're gonna go look at the hot dog trees, I guess.
Right out of it.
Are we gonna bring Penny?
Hot dog trees. Oh, geez, the hot dog trees.
Corn dog plants.
Yeah. I don't know. Just trying to find something else for them to do before we go home. There's probably cool rocks in here or something you could find. It'd be a great. You know what this would be good? They should make this into a target range. It'd be like a perfect target range. All right, let's go see what we can get into. Because we're rock hunting, I guess. So we saw a few cool rocks in here.
We saw a fossil.
Yeah, I'm pretty sure we found a fossil.
Maybe we'll show it to you guys when we get in the car.
Yeah, maybe.
Hey, Dad,
Bet you up on the berm up there, there's plenty probably up there. What? I think the one is I think it's a snail in there. I think that's what that is. All right, you guys are happy now? You got your McDonald's?
Yeah.
All right. So, yeah, that's basically the end of this adventure. We're just going home because we didn't even bother going to the lake. They did enough swimming and they were starving. So, yeah, they were starving. So, we just ended up driving about an hour home and picking up McDonald's for them. So, this is Jackknife TV. Yeah, we're out.